Hi friends, this is Kartikeya and I am here to entertain you through science. Before watching this video, see my previous video, Gold in Ocean, link given in description. So let's start our today's video. ISS or International Space Station is like a home to the astronauts. It has a laboratory in it in which experiments are conducted like what happens if humans live more time in space, what will happen to plants in space, etc. This can be used by any country in the world. ISS is as big as football ground. This is constructed by 15 countries in the world. They are Canada, Japan, Russia, USA and members of European Space Agency. You may have doubt that how did they send this much big object into the space? The answer is they did not send this by a rocket because there is no such powerful and big rocket. They sent the parts into the space and they constructed in the space itself. It took more than 10 years to construct this space station. Bill Shepard, Sergei Krikalev and Yuri Gitsenko are the first crew to stay in ISS. Astronauts struggle to do small things in space like brushing, scratching, etc. due to lack of gravity. Food is supplied to ISS by those 15 countries. But NASA is planning to grow crops in ISS. There are 100 types of foods are available in ISS, but they are all packed foods. Astronauts can eat anything they want from menu. The water in ISS is recycled water. Their urine is recycled and sent into tanks. There are only 2 toilets in that big station. Peggy Whitson is the person who stayed in ISS for 665 days. She set a record by staying more time in ISS. By seeing this picture, you may have a doubt that how is oxygen formed in ISS? The oxygen is formed with the help of solar panels. The electricity splits water into hydrogen and oxygen. Hydrogen is used to make sugar and oxygen is released into the station. This process is called electrolysis. This ISS is so big that you can see it with naked eye. You can get notification to your phone when ISS is in your city by clicking on link given in description. But the night sky should be clear without clouds to see station. We normal people also can go to ISS by taking training with NASA. But the cost of a single ticket is 500 crores. The speed of International Space Station is 7.66 kilometers per second and it is 408 kilometers above our Earth. Do you know that a person in ISS observes 16 sunrises and 16 sunsets in only one day because ISS revolves around Earth in just 90 minutes. International Space Station also has internet with a speed of 600 MB per second, means you can talk with your family from the station. ISS is the third brightest object in the night sky after Venus and Moon. Do you know astronauts' age in ISS is less compared to people in Earth because of speed of ISS. It is very less that their age is only 0.005 seconds lesser than us when they stay 6 months in ISS. When astronauts return to Earth, they cannot walk easily like us because there is no work to the muscles in the space, so they become weak. So muscles won't work for some time. It is not easy to become success in any profession. We should work hard. Scientists worked so hard to build International Space Station. Friends, subscribe to my channel and press bell icon for notification. Also like and share this video. We will meet soon with another amazing video. Till then, goodbye.